The next we are looking at is navigating our way through workbooks. So workbook essentially is the Excel file which could have many sheets. So these tabs here, you see we could keep clicking and adding on to more and more worksheets. So each of these sheets, they are called the worksheets, and the file containing all these sheets is called a workbook. I can also click and drag these sheets from one to the other position. Now, workspace assumes a lot of relevance in Excel. I'm sure we all know that Control A stands for select all. So the moment I say a Control A, what is selected is the area which is under usage currently. But supposedly I wanted to completely select the file, I would either press Control again once again, or alternatively I go and click on this icon here, which would be able to select the complete worksheet. Now supposedly I wanted to calculate the sum of all these series, and when I do that and I go at the bottom, it kind of becomes very difficult for me to reach the bottom by using the arrow key. The shortcut function to be able to do that is that we could simply just shift control and down key and we would reach to the bottom of a series. However, you need to be very careful that if supposedly there is an empty cell in the particular column, then this shift control and down would work only till it meets a blank cell. You might have to continuously be careful of the empty cells, and however the control shift down key takes you to the end of the column where there is an empty cell. Now supposedly we wanted to calculate the sums of the values here, right? And at the same time we did not want to lose focus of what all figures were there at the top. So what we might do is that we go to view and we might like to split the screen. So what happens as a result of this is that these two areas actually work as two separate worksheets only in terms of its appearance. So here you can stay at 44 and with the lower screen you can actually scroll to the bottom of your screen. So this helps the navigability better in Excel.